So let's see together how to express something you have to do. And we'll play with two verbs, in fact. We'll play with the first one, devoir, so must, have to. As you can see here, I have to finish my work before leaving. Je dois finir mon travail avant de partir. So I need to conjugate the verb devoir, and it's a tricky one, I mean, we know that. So it goes like je dois, D-O-I-S. Je dois finir mon travail avant de partir. The second option that we'll have to, we can use, is the verb falloir. So falloir, it's interesting because, well, I've been doing videos covering falloir. It's what we call impersonal. So it's not possible to conjugate falloir for je, tu, and nous, vous, il at the plural form. So it's only il. So one has to, one must. But then, as you can see, if I translate this sentence in English, it will be the same thing. I have to finish my work before leaving. But we can use it with the verb falloir. So, il faut, so I need to conjugate falloir, third person, il faut. Que je, and after that, finisse mon travail avant de partir. Well, I won't go into deep grammar in that case, but then I would advise you to have a look at what we call subjunctive, because it means that after this il faut que, we'll have to use this subjunctive mode. Okay, so it's a mood, and it means that in that case it's the present one. Okay, but I mean I'm not going there. I just advise you to have a look at the videos. It will be more clear. But il faut que je finisse mon travail avant de partir. We must return this file before the end of the month. Nous devons rendre ce dossier avant la fin du mois. So same thing here. We go back now to devoir. Devoir, nice verb. You can conjugate this devoir with all the persons. So in that case, I put nous. We have the form nous devons, so we must, we have to, and the rest continues. Rendre ce dossier avant la fin du mois. So you can see that devoir, it's actually quite flexible. I would tend to advise you to use it much more than falloir, because falloir means that you have to master the subjunctive mode after, and in some cases it can be quite tricky. We have to return this file before the end of the month, so same concept, but then in that case we're using falloir again, impersonal form, so it means that we only need to use this il. Il faut que, and then remember I told you after that, nous rendions, it's subjunctive, ce dossier avant la fin du mois. Il faut que nous rendions ce dossier avant la fin du mois. Okay, so remember devoir that you can conjugate in all the forms, all the persons, and then falloir that is impersonal, so it's only il, and it means that after that, il faut que, you will have to put the subjunctive mood after. Voilà, merci beaucoup.